Welcome to Element Pack Pro. In this video, we're excited to introduce the powerful Custom CSS and JS feature available in version 8.0. It allows you to easily add custom styles and scripts directly inside Elementor, giving you greater design control, enhanced interactivity, and eliminating the need for extra plugins. It's a smart way to streamline your workflow and keep your site lightweight. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Element Pack Pro tab in the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the newly redesigned Element Pack Pro dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Extra Options tab. This section includes a range of advanced customization tools, and among them is a powerful feature called Custom CSS and JS. Inside the Custom CSS and JS area, the first thing you'll come across is the Header Code Injection section. This feature allows you to insert your own custom CSS and JavaScript code into the head section of your website. It's perfect for applying site-wide design tweaks or adding scripts that need to load early in the page. You'll notice two separate input boxes here, one labeled CSS and the other labeled JS. Any code you enter into these boxes will be automatically injected into the head section of every page on your site. Let's take a practical example. Suppose we want to change the background color of our taskboard website. To do this, simply write your desired CSS code into the CSS input box. After that, click the Save Custom Code button located below. Now, when you return to your taskboard website, you'll see that the background color has successfully changed. This process is quick, effective, and gives you the flexibility to apply changes without modifying theme files or using third-party plugins. As you scroll down further, you'll find the Footer Code Injection section. This option enables you to add custom CSS or JavaScript code that is loaded just before the closing body tag of your website. It functions similarly to the header injection, providing two input fields, again labeled CSS and JS. The code placed in these boxes will be applied site-wide, but loaded at the end of the page for optimal performance. For example, let's say you want to greet visitors with a custom welcome message when they visit the taskboard website. You can achieve this by writing a JavaScript snippet inside the JS box under the Footer Code Injection section. Once you've entered your code, click the Save Custom Code button. When you revisit the taskboard site, you'll notice the welcome message appearing at the top of the page as expected. It's an excellent way to enhance the user experience with personalized messages or functional scripts. Finally, at the very bottom of the Custom CSS and JS feature, you'll discover the Page and Post Exclusion settings. This option gives you control over where your custom code should or should not be applied. Sometimes you might not want certain scripts or styles to load on specific pages or posts. This setting makes that easy. For instance, let's say you want to prevent your previously added background color and welcome message from appearing on the taskboard page. All you have to do is select the taskboard page in the exclusion list, and then click the Save Custom Code button once again. When you revisit the page, you'll see that both the background color and the welcome message are no longer displayed. This gives you precise control over how and where your customizations are used across your site. This entire feature offers a simple yet powerful way to enhance your website without touching theme files or hiring a developer. Whether you're making visual changes or adding dynamic behavior with CSS or JavaScript, Element Pack Pro makes the process smooth, safe, and highly efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.